Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open First Republic bank account. So in order to get started, first make sure that you've downloaded the First Republic application on your device, and once you have it, launch it open. This is how the first interface will look like. You can easily log into an existing online banking account or simply enroll to a new one if you don't have it yet. To open up the First Republic bank account for the first time, go ahead and tap on Don't Have a Username, Enroll Now link. This will then take you to a new page where you'll need to go ahead and select some of the fields. Select if you are enrolling in a personal or business banking by choosing whether personal or business according to your need, and then on the next field, under account type, tap on the drop down and select your account type you are trying to enroll to. On the next field, type in your account number provided to you by your bank, and you'll need to now enter the identification number from the document used in order to open your account. You can use your identification number from your driver license or passport. Go ahead and enter it in the display. On the next field, type in your social security number. Create a username and password for your online banking account. Start off by typing in a username you'd like to use. On the next field, secure your account with a password. Confirm your password by retyping it again in the next field. Now, on the next field, enter an email address you'd like to use for your online banking profile. After you type in your email, you'll need to provide a phone number. Type it in the text box. Make sure to use the phone number you have an access to, since you'll receive security codes on this number as an added authentication step. After entering all of the details on this page, you can simply click on the Enroll button and follow through the prompts, which will be able to open up the First Republic bank account online right away. That was how you can easily sign up for First Republic online banking account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon on the next episode. Thank you for watching.